Welcome back, my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to turn these boxes you picked up from the range that other people thought were trash into your own customized storage containers for your own reloaded ammo. So stick with me here and we'll get at it. Alright guys, this is going to be really easy. All you need is one used ammo box, and it helps if you have the tray to actually put your ammo back into, but we're going to take this out for now. And aside from your box, all you need is some tape. It could be some packing tape, it could be some Scotch tape, it could be some duct tape, gaff tape, you know, some tape. All you have to do is tape it back together. So we pulled out our tray. We're gonna go ahead and open this all the way up from both ends. And a little trick to get the end out instead of just tearing through, grab your knife. Apparently it's glued together, but once you break the glue, pretty simple to pop that out, rather than rip it and tear the corner off where you're going to now have a weaker spot. So we've got both of our ends open. Now you're going to find the corner where they have glued it together. Now this is the only part of this that requires any sort of gentle touch or skill or any of this, but we have to slowly separate this. And if you can push from the inside while you maybe pull back, that's a good one there. And then you can just kind of slide your finger across it and open all the way up here. You can go ahead and pull any of this other junk off that was glued on there. But now every fold that's coming in, we're gonna have to reverse. So I'm just gonna take a second to bend all this out. And now we figure out where it's gonna meet up here. This is where our tape comes in. A single piece of packing tape. So this is going to be our top layer. It's going to go over this other side here. So I'm going to actually take my tape and have a little bit up here and cover this edge to add some extra stability. Not going to stretch and tear and all that. So we'll get that started. Just make that centered on your flap there. A little bit of overhang so we have some extra stability on the corner. And now with your finger on the inside of this, we're going to try and line up our corner here. Once you figure out where these corners meet and you're not all cattywampus, you can actually fold this corner over to keep that square and push your tape down just a little bit. And then the same thing on this side, make sure you're square, and you can temporarily fold that over to help you keep everything square while you press your tape down, and just follow that around. So we're now taped up here, and we just fold the rest back in. So yeah, add as much or as little tape as you want. You're going to want to maybe double this up, go around it a few times if you're going to keep it around for storage or carry it to the range back and forth. You're going to want to dedicate one side to the front or the back and label this side perhaps, and then tape this side shut just so it doesn't come apart or anything like that. And then when you're ready to store your ammo, just like you would, your tray fits back in there. You can fold this up, and then you can slap your label right on the front. So it's that simple, folks. That's why I like to grab these when I'm at the range. You can do it for your 38 specials, 40, 45s, even most rifle cartridges. Like if you find a box of 308, it says Hornady, you can flip that sucker inside out, keep the little sleeve to hold your 20 rounds, and you can even store your rifle rounds the exact same way. It might be a little more difficult with like your bulk steel case or something where they're just kind of slapped in there with some paper between them. But for most of these actual boxes that have actual containers to hold your rounds, you now have your own customizable storage units, and you don't have to buy the MTM cases or whatnot, brand new off the shelf. And that's going to wrap it up for today, folks. Just a quick tutorial on how to turn your trashy ammo boxes you picked up from the range into usable storage for your own loaded ammo. So if you enjoy this sort of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. You can also support us over on patreon.com/dummyround. And stay tuned for more. We will see you in the next video. Have a good one.